Paris look different. This boy is more of a content of play of this season so far for me. I know it's still early, but in Kulmanga Mfana lo Apolis. Ngiyazi mina Shane, I'm honest. I believe it. Let me put it this way. I believe with him being honest to myself because this guy is critical for him. Kulmanga Police, but he has proved me wrong. Honestly, he has won Paris games. I mean, I'm very surprised. I need to be honest. Character. Let alone the talent. Character. Decision making, something else. Kalingisho is more of number 10. Upege the pola lady. Udlala right, bamfaka right, pega lapa, udropa kangakana, udropa lapa, usupporta le pola on the left hand side. Lady Ukabelo Dlamini dlala la. Good pass from Ukabelo. Good pass. And then upege lapi open body. Okay, deflection. But for the fact Chogutati ulisa le pola kufa. Well done to the boy. But in Joba ngisho content of play of the season 9 zomfaka angisho ukuthi winile. Uphakamisile isandla ukuthi nami ningibheke. Kuma awards might be there. And mhlambe ngidobhe something.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.